The quiet conversation before sleep every night. After a long and busy day, Michael and Emma had a small tradition. Before they went to sleep, they spent a few minutes talking to each other. Their bedroom was quiet. The lights were soft and the world outside was calm. It was the perfect time to share their thoughts. One night, after turning off the television, Michael looked at Emma and smiled. "Did you have a good day today?" he asked gently. Emma took a deep breath and said, "It was a little busy at work, but it wasn't too bad." "What about you?" Michael replied, "My day was long, but talking to you now makes it better." Emma laughed softly. "That's sweet," she said. For a moment they were silent. Then Emma asked, "What was the best moment of your day?" Michael thought for a few seconds. "The best moment," he said slowly, "was coming home and seeing you waiting at the door." Emma smiled warmly. "That was my favorite moment too," she said. After that, Emma asked another question. "Did anything worry you today?" Michael nodded slightly. "I was a little worried about a project at work," he said. "But I think it will be okay." Emma gently held his hand. "You always do your best," she said. "I believe in you." Michael looked at her gratefully. "Thank you. Hearing that from you means a lot." Then Michael asked Emma, "Is there anything you want to do tomorrow?" Emma thought for a moment. "Yes," she said. "After work, maybe we can take a walk together in the evening." "That sounds perfect," Michael replied. They both liked making small plans for the next day. It made them feel excited about the future. Then Emma said softly, "There is one more thing I like to do before sleeping." Michael smiled because he already knew what she meant. "Say thank you?" he asked. Emma nodded. "Yes. I like to remember one thing I'm grateful for." Michael said, "All right, you first." Emma looked at him and said, "Tonight, I'm grateful for you. No matter how busy life becomes, you always make time to talk with me." Michael felt happy hearing those words. Then he said, "I'm grateful for our little conversations every night. They remind me how lucky I am." The room felt peaceful. The small conversation helped them forget the stress of the day. Before turning off the light, Emma said one more thing. "Talking like this makes our relationship stronger." Michael nodded. "Yes," he said. "Even 10 minutes of honest conversation can bring two hearts closer." Emma smiled and closed her eyes. "Good night, Michael." "Good night, Emma," he replied softly. And in the quiet of the night, they fell asleep peacefully, knowing that no matter how busy life became, they would always have those few special minutes together before sleep. Because sometimes the most important conversations in a marriage happen in the quiet moments before the day ends.